how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of random you may like suggestions cluttering your TikTok feed, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your For You page in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open up your TikTok app and then on your home page, go to your search bar on the top right, and then you'll have to clear all your search. So what you have to do is tap on see more and then scroll down and tap on clear all. Once you've confirmed it, come to your profile and then go to the three horizontal lines on the top right. Go to settings and privacy and under content and display tap on notifications and then scroll down and then under personalized post suggestions, you'll have to toggle off the post you might like, reposted by others, and post from people you may know. And you can also just turn off the in-app notifications. You can choose any that you like and turn off the notifications. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.